Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mirpur Pilot Online School. God will seriously protect us from the coronavirus COVID-19. Good days will come again and bad days will pass. My dear learners, how are you? I hope everybody all are okay and fine. Alhamdulillah. I am also fine. I am Shirin Sultana, Assistant Teacher, Mirpur Pilot High School, Mirpur, Kustia. I shall teach you today English grammar for class 8. My dear learners, yesterday we learned write from verbs. Today I will discuss about also write from verbs. My dear learners, time mention to my dear learners, time expresses tomorrow mention. Tomorrow next day. Time mention future, indefinite tense. Time mention future indefinite tense. My dear learners, follow the example. Everybody listen to me and follow me and write in your notebook. Example here. You know, I to go. I to go to market tomorrow. I go to go market tomorrow. My dear learners, I hope already guess. It is future indefinite tense. And future indefinite tenses are helping verb. Helping verb is shall or will. Helping verb is shall or will. And main verb obviously all time present simple tense. I shall go to market tomorrow. I shall go to market tomorrow. Dear learners, next example here. The next day. The man, singular auxiliary verb must be will. Singular auxiliary verb must be will. The man will visit the zoo the next day. Dear learners, here I, we, you, when uses in the sentences as a subject must be auxiliary verb is shall. Auxiliary verb is shall. Uses shall. And the singular form he, she, the any type of singular subject or noun auxiliary verb will be used will. Dear learners, future indefinite tenses verb always is based from of verb. Okay, dear learner, I shall go to our next rules. Everybody obviously write down the sentence or your notebook. My dear learners, when sentence if plus past and plus I or you would. Okay, dear learners, past I, you would. Example. If I be verb. If I be verb. Be verb uses, okay learner, be verb a king. I help the poor. I help the example is if he offer me a job. If he offer me a job, I take it. If he offer me a job, I take it. Dear learners, obviously it's first sentence. First sentence should be present. First sentence should be past indefinite. Past indefinite. If he offered first indefinite, offered me a job. If he offered me a job, I would take it. First sentence offered. First sentence offered. My dear learners, if plus past plus I would, obviously already you guess it. Okay, dear learner, everybody obviously learned about right from of verbs of many things and already class end. My dear learner, everybody should be care your health and take care of your all things and read attentively, my dear learner. Okay, goodbye.